Hi Anvesh, good evening for you. I hope good morning for you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I want to convey, first of all, I want to convey a great congratulations for you getting a job in Netherlands in HCL. I hope that makes you a dream come true. And definitely I could see like you have transformed in a best way, okay, within a short span. Like you have joined around like a December, but you have done a lot
Yes,
of, you made yourself visualized and you started working on and you got the results. And once again, I'm thanking you for getting this job. I mean to say, I'm thanking you for making me as a proud, and I'm also congratulating you once again. Okay, so Anvesh, I hope you are doing good. Okay,
yes.
yeah. So just let's have a few things which I want to convey over here. What is your journey basically? Say what exactly made you to take this opportunity to join this paid membership, and what is the exactly like before joining, what made you to join this Python for DevOps using AI?
Yeah, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot, and for your support and for your help. Like what you have given to me. So, I mean, like before, I mean, like I introduced to myself. I just want to, I mean, like discuss about the Python, sir. Because in Python, you have the like great experience. That I would say that because Python is a very powerful skill, sir. I mean, like literally, if I
Yes,
tell,
yes,
I mean,
it's a
like if you talk
programming
about
wise,
the
it's a
yeah,
benchmark.
if you talk about the AI, if you talk about the ML, and if you talk about the DevOps, and if you talk about the and the data ops, and if you talk about the like any and now we are discussing about like after coming to Netherlands, I got to know that there is another role is called forward deploy engineering, sir. Forward deploy engineering. So DevOps is gone. I mean, like everything is gone now. People are talking about the forward deploy engineering, and then after that, earlier we used to call SDLC. Now it becomes like ADLC, like
Yeah.
I mean, like in the software development cycle, we have the agile methodology, sir. Now it has become like agent, deliver life cycle. Okay, so I mean, like if you talk about the Python, sir, initially, before join this, I was like kind of a I used to work for the software company, but I was kind of a non-technical. Okay, like I was a
Yes,
part of the release engineer and cloud support engineer. I don't know like how to automate the pipeline, also how to integrate the CI/CD tools, with the Jenkins, GitHubs, and GitLab, whatever the tools we used in our work environment. But
yes.
after joining your team, that confidence and that clarity, I got, sir, from you. It is completely. I mean. What do I say that you like made me to, I mean, like get into my dream job, sir. So I would say
Great to
that
hear.
thing, sir.
Great.
Yeah, yeah.
Main thing you are saying no, though even though you're not non-technical guy, see the
Yes, sir.
intention, the motivation, the thing which is makes. See, as I say, finally I could say everybody 20% is technical, 80% is mindset. Though you're a non-technical guy, but you're bounced back as a technical, and you're
Yes,
like though you don't have a technical knowledge, but you're able to sustain in a current technical world. Basically you're doing job in Netherlands, that makes you the difference. Okay, so yeah, great to hear, Anvesh. Okay, so before going that, I have few more questions. What could you say about this my with respect to the Python training? Okay, how it is different from the like a YouTube learning or the self learning?
sir, I mean, like, if I want to say, sir, I mean, like, if you, I mean, like, if I want to go to the YouTube, then I can go to the YouTube, sir, because I could see the scattered information, sir. So I cannot get the,
Exactly.
complete information. Then I cannot interact, live, like you, sir. If I get, sometimes we get silly doubts, sir, and like, people will be going to the Google, people will be going to the AI tools, and then they can, get whatever they want. But interacting, like, one-on-one interacting and face-to-face conversation is very important to me. So
Yes.
and the main thing is, sir, I didn't want to spend my hours, I mean, like on the YouTube, I mean, like to search about the particular module, or else, particular class, which one is good, which one is not good. So yeah, sir, I mean, like this kind of interaction and this kind of a face to face, I mean, like classes, that made me I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
like yeah, that made me
Great to hear
happy.
about that.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So one more thing I want to ask you, what are all the benefits? What are all the transformation you are observing or you are observed since from the joining? Okay. So what is your current transformation after joining, and what are all the benefits you are actually observing?
Yes, sir. As I said, I mean, like, I mean, like, I generally belong to a non-technical background, sir. Though I have a
Exactly.
software experience because even I worked for the years in a software industry. But initially, I started my career as an enterprises associate, and after that, I'm having overall 8 years of experience, sir. But in the 8 years of experience, almost 5 to 6 years, I was into a kind of a fully technical. But in that 4 years also, I worked in a software companies, but not that much. But before joining,
Yes,
I
yes,
was,
I agree.
struggling. I was struggling, like, finding a clear roadmap, sir. Okay. But
Exactly.
as I mean, like, discussed with you, I was exploring the international opportunities, and there are,
Yeah.
I mean, like, lot of information available on the internet. But
Yes, yes.
after joining your session, sir, the biggest benefit has been a clarity and a confidence, sir. Automating
Exactly.
the pipeline. Python is
Exactly.
everywhere, sir. If I want to automate the infra, Python. If I want to automate the CI/CD tool,
Yes.
Python. If I want to automate the monitoring, also Python is there. If I want to
Exactly.
even, create the resources, like, AKS, if I
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
AKS clusters also, like, whatever. So yeah,
Definitely,
sir. I
definitely.
mean, like,
Python
yeah,
is everywhere. I have been telling you, it is something like a virtual god. You should know when
yes,
to use, how to use, where to use with respect to AI and as well as with respect to Python. I'm glad to see you sharing your thoughts and sharing your feedback. I could say like whatever your experiences since like joining. Okay, and
yes,
definitely you are going to grow more and more. And I'm really giving a positive vibrations for you and also more power to you. Definitely you are going to achieve the great heights. Only thing is that plan well, okay, and don't have a don't have a proper I mean to say, don't assume yourself, have a proper plan and proceed further. And anything, definitely as a mentor, I'm going to help you out, okay. And great to hear, once again, congratulations for getting the job. Being non-technical guy, you are sustained into the technical industry, and definitely you are going to shine more with respect to the technical. Okay, great to hear. Thank you and all the best.
yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.